Hi. All right. So moving on from the National Museum of American History and the Franklin Common Press, the National Museum has more than 1.8 million artifacts. So if you didn't find the Franklin Common Press interesting, I'm sure out of the 1.8 million artifacts, you can find something interesting that you like. They have artifacts ranging from art, like millions of pieces of artwork, clothing, coins, like old time coins that they used back in the day, and engineering and old timey cars. They just have a lot of interesting artifacts that if you didn't find the common press interesting, you can surely go and find something that appeals to you. So, thank you.